Hi guys, welcome back to FBMFox. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can use the Chrome extension to list on TikTok shops. So previously, we showed you guys how to use the web app, which is just this plus icon right here, to list to TikTok shops. Now we'll show you how you can use a Chrome extension. First of all, you must have the Chrome extension installed. Now, the way to get that is by clicking this icon, Chrome extension, in your FBMFox account, right below the login button. And once you have this, you want to make sure to add it to Chrome. And once it's in your Google Chrome account, you can go ahead and log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in real quick. Once you're logged in, you want to go to your supplier's website and find a product. So let's try something different. Let's try listing this blender bottle, right? So once you find this protein shake bottle, you can just click on Save to FBMFox and you'll find it right here. So here is your protein shake bottle. Now all you want to do is click on Edit and then click on Sales Channels and enable TikTok Shops. If you want to disable some of these other sales channels, you can do that also. So I've just went ahead and disabled it for the simplicity of this video. But it's the same process as before. We can just let TikTok auto detect some of this stuff and then go back in and edit it. But as you can see, we have the images here and we have the description. You can go ahead and edit the description according to your needs. We also have the price and stock. I'm going to set this margin to 100% and my target profit on this product would be about $9. I'm just going to hit Save Changes. And now if we click on Edit, we go into TikTok Shop section. You should see here that it's sorted itself out to the sports water bottle section. And if we want to edit some of the information, we can go ahead and do that here. The material, tempered glass, I guess that's the closest, made in China. It's a shaker bottle. There's one per quantity. I guess it's black. The lid is black. So you can go ahead and add these additional features that TikTok would like you to, and then just hit Save Changes. And just like before, you can find your TikTok product by clicking on TikTok Shop via API. Sometimes it takes a moment to load, but if you go into your TikTok Shops seller account, you should find the protein shaker bottle listed right here. So it says it's under review. That's totally fine. Sometimes it takes time for it to go through, but that is the gist of this video. That is how to list from your favorite supplier to TikTok Shops using the Chrome extension. Again, a very, very simple process. If for some reason the web app is not working, you can resort to using the Chrome extension. And that is a very easy and effective way to list on TikTok Shops. Alright guys, have a great one. See you guys in the next video where we'll talk about using templates and the bulk uploader. So very, very exciting and powerful things coming up. We'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one. Bye.